Pozdrav svima, ja sam Remo i u današnjem klipu radimo reakciju na KSI-u novu pesmu Little Boy. Pa hajde da počnemo.
Yo! You thought I forgot about you, little boy? Yo, these niggas ain't ready! Yeah! Little boy trying to get involved. Come on then, let's get involved, you prick. Posh boy now wanna rap. Posh boy now wanna scrap. Posh boy about to get clapped at the end of the verse. You gonna wish you never did that, wish you never hit back. Cause a little boy gonna feel it when they get it, when they click, 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 clap. You ain't part of this group. Nah. You ain't Simon, you gook. Nah. Deciding when to be.
Nije u grupi sa Sidemenom. Pa sigurno znamo o kome priča.
Inside man, while you're too busy faking all the packs and then making racks and then spreading all of that shit on. Now Rosie is scared, and I know that you're listening, beginning to sweat. Oh, little boy not looking innocent, all cause he wanna be relevant. Oh, God, had my name on my body, so you know I'm now in my element. I'm in my element. Call me whatever you want, still looking up to.
Istvorio je svoje ime zato što je u elementu sada.
Some in the name of the group, all cause they needed the help from me. Yeah, bitch, I was to come up. I'm the foundation for you to go run up. Keep playing FIFA, you ignorant fuck. Your girl is a gold digger. Fuck, at least she knows how to suck. Oh shit, what the f.
Nisko. Ovo je baš bilo nisko.
When I deal with scrubs, come at me but I win in subs. I'm the giant just killing bugs. You're just a shit Chris MD. You need to get off MD. How many girls have you fucked in your life? One.
Nije lošo za sada.
That's mad. Your girlfriend's forehead mad. When you ask the sket to go give your head, her replies which one? Your dad is a weirdo. Hey. He looks just like a pedo. Hey. More inbred than yeast. Hey. Your mom gets fucked by sheep. Hey.
Ja mislim da je baš bilo sada nisko, ali mislim da on preteruje, mislim, s ovim.
Sister fucks a crowbar. Fam is really that deep. Sorry nigga, but I said it. Little boy now regret it. You want to say that shit to me? Huh? You want to say that shit to me? Learn how to spell renowned, you fucking idiot. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Not today, little boy. Hey, hey.
Pesma nije loša, ali znam da ova pesma pisuje Harija, to je Road to Show. Tako da, mislim, Kesa što je sad napravio ovu pesmu, si sigurno da krenu njega sa novim diss trackovima. Tako da, pesma nije loša, opisuje Harija kako ovo, ne znam više ni ja. Ali tako da, pesma po meni nije loša, samo što on je preteruje, mislim, s ovim. Ne znam zašto je on kaže da je napustio Sidemen KSI, napustio Sidemen zato što zbog Bazinge. Ali Sidemen bio mnogo dobra grupa. Tako da, zašto je KSI izašao? Ali sad on kao i sam nije loš. Podržavam KSI u svemu. Tako da, pesma nije toliko loša. Meni se sviđa. Za vas ostalo ne znam, tako da svako ima svoje mišljenje. To je tako. Samo što on preteruje, ono sad počeli i pornicu da uvaliju sve u ovo. Meni ovo je preterivanje baš. Tako da, jebi ga. To je to bilo sve u današnjem klipu. Ako vam se svidio klip, ostavite like, share i subscribe. Mi se vidimo u sljedećem klipu. Poj!